Good day, YouTubers. Today I'm going to be installing two auxiliary gas tanks on my 2018 Can-Am Commander. This gas tank can be mounted one of three ways. You can either use the included hardware and mount to a flat surface, which is what I've chosen to do. It also comes with some small U-bolts that if you've got a tube somewhere that's 1.5 inches diameter, it uses the same holes on the mounting bracket. The third method is that they do make a little adapter that will hook to your roll bar, and you can mount it on the side of the side-by-side. I mounted this one yesterday. I'm now going to measure so that I can put this bracket in the same place on the other side, and then we'll mount that. From the center to this bracket, I've measured from the deck to this bracket. I've measured from the top to here, the top to here, to put these two brackets in the same relative position. Just for accuracy's purposes and to make everything work, I'm going to drill 2 pilot holes. Then I'll use the bigger drill bit and drill the big hole so that I can put screws in there to drill the bottom 2 holes.
Gee, how are you holding that on there like that?
With double sticky tape. What I've done is drilled the top 2 holes, installed the screws with the nuts, and snugged it up so that now I can drill the pilot holes in the bottom and make sure they're in the correct place. Now in my case, I have this reinforcement bracket on the front of the cargo box on this Can-Am. The hardware that comes with the bracket is only 1 inch. I bought 1.5 inches to make sure it goes through the bracket. Now installed both cans, put in the mounting wheel. The locks go in here. Now the only issue that I have is I bought 2 of these at the same time. The keys are not keyed alike, so I'm going to have to use 2 keys and figure out a way to mark it. I think what I'm going to do is put colored tie wraps on the can and on the key and just make sure I put them back in the same spot. These keys fit tight in this hole. I'm hoping that over time these threads will kind of wear on them a little bit and they'll be easier to take out. So that's what it takes to install these 2 cans. As usual, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.